Hey guys, this is HappyDo012345 recorded from my iPod Touch, and today I'm going to show you this video that I found on the internet today, because this video, I'm telling you, really cracked me up. Oh gosh, that parrot can really sing. So I'm not going to really say much, so I'm just going to actually put the video on. Believe it or not, this really cracks me up. I actually put the actual link in the description box below, and I would like you to enjoy the video. Boy, put on your laughing gear, because this really cracks me up. Actually, I think I kind of killed it. Yeah, I kind of did. So yeah, for more of my videos and more weird humour, subscribe to my videos, and I will post them at least once in every while, or probably once in every week, or whenever I feel in the mood to. And I like you to enjoy yourself,